Hello viewers, welcome to GV Explorer. Today we are exploring the India's first major aquarium. This place invites visitors for an amazing experience with equals to aquariums available only in foreign countries, that is VGP Marine Kingdom. This is an underwater kingdom of heaven. This has more than 200 species of marine life with 5 aquatic zones with area of 70,000 square feet. This walk-through aquarium is India's first and largest one, having equal comparison with other world-class aquariums in the world. Let's get into the Marine Kingdom. This is fully air conditioned and is designed with beautiful and rich look. The price starts with adult 550 rupees and junior 450 rupees. If height is less than 90 cm, then it will be free. Sea dive cost 3000 rupees per person. As mentioned earlier, this is completely air conditioned, having 5 different themes, zones, and also this has restaurant, educational facilities and exhibition areas. This has 70-meter acrylic tunnel which immerses visitors in the underwater world. This gives amazing experience for the visitors as this is India's unique one. You can see the beautiful and well-sculptured artifacts and good themes. While moving forward, this place is very clean and well maintained. This has small artificial waterfalls and open fish ponds. When comes to species, this aquarium house has some rarest and famous species of fishes which the visitors have never visited. This marine kingdom is said to contain fishes which were captured from many countries around the world. Children will be fond of this place because this place will give awareness of the beauty of the underwater world. While entering into the rainforest theme, we will be welcomed by alligator garfish, and this is a freshwater fish found in North America. They can live for many decades and they will grow fast when they are young, but the growth slows down with the age. Now we can see zebra tilapia. This is also a freshwater fish and is a West African species. Its body is typically yellow or white with black stripes. Alligator garfish are relatively passive and are opportunistic night predators. Its body is torpedo in shape, usually brown or olive shape. This fish requires very large aquarium or pond and ample resources. Next we are moving to silver moonie. It is also called as butterbream or diamond fish. It is native from Western Pacific and Indian Oceans. This species reaches a maximum length of about 27 centimeters. It is a bright shiny silver with yellowish edges to the fins. These are territorial fish which occasionally appear in small groups. This silver mooney is perfectly adapted to life in the mangrove swamp, and it is able to live in fresh or salt water. Next, we are going to watch flying barb noble gourami, an angelfish. Flying barb is a freshwater fish which reaches maximum of 15 centimeters. This looks like a silver fish with black line and golden fins. This lifespan is about 3 to 5 years. As it has exceptional ability for jumping, hence it is named like that. Angelfish. This is also a freshwater fish which can live up to 10 years and only prefers tall aquariums with capacity of 20 gallons of water. These fishes should be fed 3 to 4 times a day. They have graceful swimming behavior and they make stunning additions to large community aquariums. Next, we are going to watch ciseled, which are popular aquarium fishes and are freshwater fishes which can grow about 30 centimeters. They have rare edges and most of them are vegetarian. These fishes will not lay eggs in the nest but carried in the mouth of the parent until hatched. Next is mascara barb. It is a genus of cyprid fishes from freshwater in South India and Sri Lanka. They will be measured as 8 to 12 centimeters and are called as ray-finned fishes because their fins are webs of skin by bony spines. The main features of these fishes having swim bladder is the most derived structure. Next, we are going to watch filament barb fish, which is the species of barb. Young fish have barely any color and black spots. These fishes are swift swimmers and males are larger than females, and they fertilize eggs by swimming into the cloud of eggs. These species are most commonly found in southwest Indian states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. These are also called as black spot barb. Next we are going into George theme. Here you can see artificial vertical garden which makes you more happy. When you see this green lush, here there are plenty of fishes moving here and there, and these are open pond fishes. But be careful, if you go there, you should not touch these fishes. Usually they feed fishes on morning, afternoon and evening. As we are at 12 p.m, so we are able to watch the feeding of fishes. In the next video, we will show more interesting things like feeding other fishes, sharks and under tunnel aquarium and many other interesting themes. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more interesting updates. Thank you.